The Audi Q5's MMI system is crucial for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Sometimes it glitches, requiring a reset. The MMI system controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A reboot is a quick restart that doesn't erase data. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. Use this for minor issues like temporary screen freezes. A factory reset erases all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this in the MMI Setup menu under General or Factory Reset. You might need a dealer PIN for confirmation, obtainable from Audi or the My Audi app. Use factory resets for persistent problems or after software updates, but remember to back up your data first, as it will be deleted. Before resetting the MMI system, try to identify the problem. Common issues include screen freezing, navigation errors, or app crashes. If a simple reboot or factory reset doesn't work, more advanced troubleshooting might be needed. For older Q5 models, you can try pressing and holding the setup and car buttons for 10 seconds while the ignition is in position 2. For deeper diagnostics, tools like VCDS, the VAGCOM diagnostic system, can scan for error codes and perform ECU resets. Always ensure your vehicle is parked before performing any reset. If problems persist, especially after a factory reset, it may indicate a hardware fault that requires professional attention from an Audi dealer. Keep in mind that some newer models receive OTA updates that may resolve issues automatically, and some resets can be performed remotely by Audi technicians.